afternoon, good evening, wherever part in the world you are. Welcome. It's Cook and Inspire with Chef Garnet. I'm telling you, man, today what I'll be cooking, some vegetable rice. And I'll be showing you how am I gonna go ahead and prepare that. Okay, but before I get down into that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, and share everything, man, you know. Always share it with your family and you know, those who are around you. So yeah, because we need your support, you know. Without you, then we can't go forward. Yeah, man, that's the thing, said. So I've got around 4 cups of basmati rice here, already washed. You know, I already washed my rice, well clean and everything. So, and I'll be going, as I see, the rice is like halfway there. So I'm gonna put around 2 pints of water in it, just to cover the rice. That's it. That looks perfect. And here we have some mixed vegetable. I'm using frozen mixed vegetable. You can also get fresh one from the shop, you know. I'm gonna put in some salt in that around. You know, you want the rice to be nice and fluffy, you gotta put enough butter. So I'm going with around 3 tablespoons of butter. Nice fluffy shelly rice I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So what I'll be doing now, just to give it some color. You know, sometimes you see rice and they're a bit yellow. Sometimes people use food coloring and all sort of things to color the rice. So now I'm going to use some turmeric just to color the rice. It's going to give it a nice yellow color. So let's mix everything together. Let's put this on the flame. Yeah. I think you need a bit more turmeric. You want a nice yellow color going on in there. Alright, so if you look in there good, see all that vegetable going on in there. If you've never tried that before, go ahead and try it. Ideal for vegetarian. You don't know about vegan because there's butter in there. You can use, you know, vegetable butter. So yeah, vegan can go ahead and use it as well. You know, so let me bring that up to a boil, and when it's on its way, I'll come back and show you what's happening. Okay, if you look at that, my rice is almost done. As I said, it's not taking no more than about 15 minutes to cook this rice. It's basmati rice, and I tell you, look at that. See the nice yellow color what it got. That's the turmeric that done that, and all those nice color going on in the rice there. Yeah, man. Vegetable rice. So I'll give this another 5 minutes to dry down a little bit more. And I don't like my rice too sticky. You know, so if you look at that, look, come close. It's not sticky, it's nice and, look at that, nice and shelly. Here we are again. Yeah, man, the rice done cook, or vegetable rice with turmeric in there. Yeah, so this is it, people. If you come close and have a good look, masterclass. That's it. Our vegetable rice cooked down with turmeric to give it the color. And if you look down in the pot, you know when we cook rice, it's not a normal thing. You look at that nice and shelly rice we have in there. Yeah, look at that. People, very healthy, ideal for vegetarian and vegan. It's packed with pure goodness and flavor inside of it. You can eat this just on its own, with butter to give it the flavor, the vegetable give it the flavor, and I've garnished it with some cucumbers, you can see there, some cherry tomato, you know, just to let it really colorful and come alive. So here we have it. Cook and Inspire, in and out the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, and share up the thing. And leave a comment too. Yeah, man, as I normally say, before the land. Peace out. Until next time, see you. What good? If it can't be good, be careful. Don't drink and drive. Stay safe. Social distance. Yeah man, here we go.